Okay, everybody, this is the floating broom, and it has nothing on it. Nothing on the bottom. I'll do this again for you. Nobody is around. I'll show you the whole thing. Nobody is around it. And it's not on that wall either. It's just standing in one spot. Then my brother's over there, but he's not touching it at all. He has no string. Open your hands. Just floating in the air.
And it's on Facebook.